I have started recording.
Okay.
Thank you for reaching out to us, Divya ma'am. So,
Thank you
how
so
are
much.
you doing today?
Yeah, I am full of beans. What about you, sir?
I am also so good. So, how was your
Okay.
morning?
Yeah, my morning was very fantastic. You can say as usual the same day. Got up early in the morning around 6 o'clock. Then I did my all house chores work, and I took out some time for myself. And in this way, I was practicing, and now I am here in front of you.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, before going to go ahead, okay, I want to know about yourself. Okay, I know about you, but I want to know about you for my viewer. If you
Okay.
don't mind.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Divya Nayak. I am from MP. I'm homemaker blessed with one beautiful daughter, and I have done my master and B.Ed also these days. Recently I created my YouTube channel also, and I'm working on it. That's all about me.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So your English is fantastic, madam. So may I know how do you practice English?
Yeah, definitely, sir. You can say it was my childhood dream. But after becoming a mother of one daughter, I got the chance to practice by myself. I just watching some videos and I start, speaking something. Sometime I start recording myself through the mobile phone. So these activities nowadays I am doing, and mirror practice help me a lot. Whenever I get chance, just I sit in front of the mirror, and mirror technique helped me a lot. Whatever comes to my mind, just I speak. And
Okay,
whether
okay.
I am making mistake or not, it doesn't matter because making mistake is the part of our life. But
I
I
see.
always hold my fluency with a go with flow.
I see. I see. Okay, so you are doing practice in front of mirror. Okay.
Yeah.
And so may I know what kind of video are you watching nowadays?
Yeah, sometimes it depend on my mood. If I want to watch any kind of a spirituals video, so Shivani, BK Shivani, it is my most favorite ma'am, you can say. I
Hmm.
follow her. And sometimes I watch conversation videos also. Collaboration videos I like a lot. Meenu Puri
Okay,
ma'am,
okay.
Karishma Chauhan ma'am, and Rajni Verma. This channel I am following.
Okay, okay. So you know can say lots of ma'am and who are really fluent in this language.
Right, exactly.
Okay. So when you were beginner, starting time, what was your level and how do you learn this language?
Yeah, definitely. At that time, I couldn't utter a single sentence because sometimes grammar part it was very difficulty for me. First, I learned some grammar rule. What is the tense? What is the modals? What is the causative? How can we make the perfect sentence? Because if you don't know how to make the perfect sentence, so how can you speak? So first of all, you have to jump in the very little grammar portion. After that, you are able to speak something. Otherwise you start fumbling a lot if you don't know how you can make the structure. So definitely grammar helps us. Some person says like that grammar is no important, grammar is not mandatory for everyone, but I can say those who are totally beginner, they don't know what is the grammar. Basic to advanced they want to learn, so definitely grammar is very good and very helpful. You can say grammar is our best friend.
Okay. Okay. So may I know something from you that did you start speaking English and did you learn first grammar? What did you learn first?
First I learned tense and little sentence. How can we make? Jotted down in my diary. After that, every day I watch. Every day I watched. Day I spoke with my co-learner. How can we make the sentence? Sometimes situation based question I prepared for myself. After that, I practiced in front of the mirror. This was
Okay.
my This was my you can say strategy.
Okay, okay, that's great. And I have observed that your English is so good. So I have one question that you told me that I have created my channel, YouTube channel. Okay, so why did you create your channel and what is your purpose?
Hmm. because I was not moved in creating my YouTube channel, but so many co-learners and my friends who always, surrounds with my friends, they always suggested me, why are you not creating your YouTube channel? So because of them, I just created my YouTube channel, and I, get motivation day by day from them.
Okay, okay. So, are you uploading body video every single day on your channel?
Yeah, every day solo video only for 1 minute, 2 minutes video I upload over there. And some nowadays I am facing some technical issues. So that's why I'm not able to make any kind of collaboration videos with co-learner. So
Hmm.
maybe future, this is my, you can say next task.
So when you got, ma'am, when you got first subscriber, okay. So how did you feel, and how much happy you were? Tell me.
Yeah, I was over the moon. I couldn't, I couldn't have any kind of word. I couldn't utter a single word, I can say, because I got first subscriber. So I started checking over and over, overnight. You can say I couldn't sleep properly. And next morning, whenever I got up and just, I holded my mobile phone on my hand, and again I started checking. Maybe I am getting some subscriber or not. So in this way, you can say my feeling was fantastic.
Okay. So do you
I
check
was,
YT Studio? Do you check YT Studio every day?
yeah, every day within a second, you can say.
Yes, yes. It happened also with me when I created YouTube channel. Okay. So I used to, check YT Studio every single day. I used to
Mhm.
I check my YouTube, get the viewer, subscriber. It
Yeah,
happens. Okay.
definitely, it's
So
happened.
now you are beginner. So that's why you are checking every day and you are
Yeah,
feeling good.
so definitely. First video, I was going to upload, so butterfly on my stomach. You can't believe me. Definitely
Okay.
butterfly on my stomach. I was shivering
Mhm.
a lot because
Okay.
yeah, first video whenever you are going to upload, so definitely you have some cold feet also.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
So my
So
condition
you
was
mean to
same
say,
like that.
you are not looking, nervous and fearness. Okay. So you are not looking fearness, nervous. You are so confident. So how
Yeah.
did you overcome it?
Yeah, first of all, I make some sentence, my diary on my diary. I jot it down over there. After that, I speak again and again because repetition is very important. If you repeat again and again, so definitely you reach that level. So same thing I'm doing. Still, I'm doing the same thing.
Okay, okay. You mean to say, there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ
There
चाह
is a way,
वहाँ
there is a
राह.
way.
Right?
Definitely,
You have
definitely.
clear, you had patience, okay, and somehow you have learnt English, you have improved your English just because of passion, isn't
Yeah,
it? Did hard work, you practice every single day. I still can say you do, you practice every single day, right?
right.
Okay, definitely, yeah, and it is true. If you have passion, definitely you can learn this language. There is no
Yeah.
doubt, right? But
That's
we
why
have to
people
be
often say.
consistent.
That's why people often say every cloud has a silver lining. Sometimes we are facing so many difficulties, but once you deep into the anything, so definitely one day you reach that level. One day you get success.
Hmm. Yes, yes. I can understand. Okay. So now you are not visible.
You are not visible right now.
Please open your camera.
Yeah, I already opened my camera. I am not able to see you. You are not visible from my side, and I am
I'm
visible
also,
from my
I'm
side.
also, I'm not also able to see you.